And this is for...
This is a problem right here. And knowing my quality, I can't live with this. So that means now these ties went in. So that means I might have to break it.
So is this one sticking out too far, or are these in too far?
This one is sticking out way outside, but this one I pushed them I don't know how I didn't catch them. These went in way too far.
Okay.
So this one is overlapping them now. Oh, you see what I just did? I'll try to use a hammer to show it, and now I'll break this.
Yeah,
now,
when the camera was off.
now I gotta decide take out 2 or take out 3. So that's what happened. But you know what? I have somebody that have a hanger issues.
Yeah, take out
She needs to come and break this
Okay.
and get her frustration out. Alright, I'm out. You remember, not the whole thing now. Just this.
So just
Let's
take
see.
out 2.
Just break it.
I can just hit it? Like
Hit
hard?
it. Yeah, hit it how hard as you can. And now you're gonna shatter the whole thing.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Yeah?
Alright.
Oh wait, not that one.
Not that one!
No,
Chauntelle.
yes it was.
No, that was the right one.
Okay. Okay, so you just keep hitting it?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, what about this?
Oh, shoot! Oh, this one.
Was that a bag of cement?
A bag
Yeah,
of something.
that should work though.
I don't know. Now we gotta put something. Oh, come
Or
on.
another tile. Over it.
What?
Another tile.
He's gonna make another tile.
So we can break. Damn.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, hi.
Alright.
Take 3. Just take 3 out. Yeah.
Alright.
It's screwed.
Okay. Go.
I hit it harder. There you go.
Okay.
Wow. No. Yeah, the top. The
The
top.
top.
It's in the top too.
Oh boy.
Oh shoot. Okay. Oh shoot, wait.
You can hit it harder. There you go.
Oh, it's
I don't know,
not.
this
It's not
is-
spider.
Because I'm scared of this gonna break. Alright.
Yeah, you know. Guess what the hard part is?
And this is for...
There we go.
Alright.
Yeah, now you gotta clean it up.
Oh. I'm not getting close to that.
Man, this is supposed to be fast. What the hell are you doing? I gotta go work. Alright, well. Alright, as you can see here, no more lippage. So if you like this video, please subscribe and for more video to come.